Alrighty, so what I'm finding out here is sometimes we have first gear, sometimes we don't. Sometimes it'll drive in first gear and then pop out. Kind of like the same thing that happened to that 1066 over there. So, I think that means the counter shaft nut inside of the transmission has fallen off the shaft, and first gear has also fallen off the shaft. Alrighty, so here's where we've landed. Just about ready to pop the top cover off. Let's take a peek. Well, first gear is on the shaft. So there is first gear. It's almost like we got a detent issue going on. There's detent there, that is for sure. The shaft is a little wobbly, but that's not the reason why it's popping out of gear. Doesn't even look broke. It isn't broke. There's my keyway. That's worn, but the key is in there. I think everything became discombobulated now. Alrighty, so here's my theory. That roller there is so loose because that pin that the roller sits on is worn. When that roller rode against the detent cutouts here, the roller would actually roll past them. So even though the roller or the detent felt good, it in fact caused the problem of it jumping out of first gear. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean everything up. I'm gonna locate some new parts and install them and see how I like it, and then I might just put everything back together. Ready? Alrighty, let's put a washer underneath there. If I got one. Might have one. Oh yeah. Oh, hell yeah. That looks kind of good. Oh boy, I can feel the difference. All right, well, yeah, so that is a used detent dealio there. So yeah, that is a used detent apparatus that I just installed there, but I don't have any used ones laying around. What I do is I swap out this detent plate here. It's pretty easy. I heat up the rivet, pound it through, or take a drill bit. I suppose you could take a drill bit, drill it out, pound it through. But as far as right now, I don't know. I guess we're gonna give this a whirl. I mean, it is correct. There's a little bit of wobble in this shaft. Not a lot. Not concerned about it at all. I did put that washer underneath my coupler there, so that snugged her up a good bit. But yeah.